wanna set up a YouTube creators workstation with the open source software. So that's what's this video. So y'all, we are gonna make a YouTube creators workstation with open source software. Let's start. First of all, open the terminal and get the root environment by sudo dash I, put your password. The very first thing to do it, apt update. The very first software done installing is Inkscape. It's a alternative software to Corel Draw for vectorial drawing. So let's install it. apt install Inkscape. Brackets. There it is. Let's open it. Let's use the full settings. And that's it. We have our software screen with the tools, all the things you need to create pictorial drawings. The next thing, install GIMP. So it's alternative software to Photoshop, so you can edit and create images, photos, and thumbnails. Graphs, GNU image manipulation program. Let's open it. If you look at it, it looks like Photoshop, very similar, very easy to use. Next step, we need a tool to edit the videos. So we're gonna use Shotcut. Let's put the icon on the desktop for the so Shotcut. Let's put the desktop. Let's open it. There you go. We have here our environment, so we can edit videos, do a lot of stuff. The next thing we are gonna need is OBS, so can record and make live transmissions off our desktop computer. So apt install OBS Studio. Let's put an icon on the desktop. Let's open it. We will optimize for recording. I use the full settings. Apply settings. And there you go. If you want, we can add screen capture. So there is the screen. We can add the microphone. There you go. It's working. The next thing is Audacity. So you can add your soundtracks. Let's create a desktop icon. Let's open it. There you go. It's working. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to create videos, edit, create thumbnails, and all this stuff you need to do to put videos on your channel on YouTube. That's all. Please subscribe and like the video. Thanks a lot. And take your time and watch.